students. Today we will start our new topic, that is a coordination compound. It is unit 9 from your book. Coordination compounds. What is the meaning of coordination? Coordination is the bond that is formed by transfer, that is formed by sharing of electrons. These electrons are contributed by one but shared by both. That bond formed is known as coordinate bond or dative bond. Beta, in this case, one of the atom have empty d orbital and the atom or molecule which want to be joined with the atom with empty orbitals have tendency to donate its pair of electrons that are not permanently donated, that will be contribute but shared by both, given by one, shared by both. The bond formed is known as coordinate bond. Coordinate bond is represented by simple arrow. Head of the arrow towards the atom which only share the electron pair, and tail of the arrow towards the atom or group of atom or ion which have lone pair of electron, and these electrons are contributed by this atom but shared by both the atom. That means this group ion or atom contribute electron pair and share also. That means electron pair, that is the shared between two atoms, given by one, shared by both. The bond formed is known as coordinate bond or dative bond, and the compound which contain this type of bond is known as coordination compound, or these are also known as complexes. These coordination compounds are known as complexes, and the branch of chemistry deals with such type of compounds are known as coordination chemistry. So our new topic is coordination chemistry. Coordination chemistry is the branch of chemistry deals with the study of those compounds which have coordinate bond between one atom with other atom, group of atom, that is molecule or ions. And the compound which form coordinate bond are known as coordination compound or complexes. Better, these complexes are of three types, that means types of complexes. These complexes are of three types. These complexes or coordination compounds are always written in square bracket. These complexes or coordination compounds must be written in square bracket. This square bracket is known as identification mark of complexes. If any charge present on this complex, this square bracket is the charge complex. There is no any charge, that is the neutral complex. If this carry positive charge, either plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, mu, but carry positive charge, is known as cationic complexes. If negative charge is present on square bracket, either minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, none, any of the charge, but it is negative, it is anion complex. If no one charge is present, none of the charge is present over square bracket. No any charge. That is known as neutral complex. That means we have three type of complexes. The complex carry positive charge, cationic complex. The complex carry negative charge, anionic complex. And complex that do not have any charge, that is the neutral complex. Example, let us suppose this one, it have +3 charge. On whole of the square bracket we have positive charge. This is cationic complex. If it have anionic complex, that means it carry negative charge. Negative charge present, that is known as anionic complex. None of the charge is present. No any charge. That is the neutral complex. How many types of complexes are there? Answer is 3 types: cationic complex, anionic complex and neutral complex. If our coordination compound carry any charge, it is charge complex. No any charge, it is neutral complex. Charged complexes or charged compounds again of 2 types, cationic or anionic. Neutral remain same. Now, beta, one thing you study in your lower level, that is the double salt. That is the double salt. Maybe you remember two salts that you prepare the crystal are double salts, more salt and potash alum. More salt, that is green in color, potash alum, simple picture you see at your home, that is beta more salt, ferrous sulfate, ammonium sulfate and 6 water molecule as water of crystallization. Beta more salt is made up of 2 salts, that is iron sulfate and ammonium sulfate. Iron sulfate and ammonium sulfate. This iron sulfate, iron carry +2, ammonium carry +1 oxidation state. These two salts are mixed together in equimolar ratio. These two salts are mixed together in equimolar ratio, is known as double salt. Another double salt that you will see at your home as Fitkari. You prepare the crystal in your lab as potash alum. Beta potash alum. It is commonly known as Fitkari. It is the mixture of potassium salt and aluminium sulfate with 24 water molecule as water of crystallization. Potash alum is the double salt of potassium sulfate as well as aluminium sulfate. Both are in equimolar ratio. These double salt, when mixed in water, they lose their identity and permanently decompose into iron. Suppose ferrous sulfate or more salt is dissolved in water. Beta water mix in water and we get ferrous ion, ammonium ion. How many ammonium ion? Answer is 2 plus 1 and 1, 2 sulfate ion and water dissolved in water. That means double salt when dissolved in water permanently decompose into its ions. Thank you.